This is the most famous car in the world, Bumblebee.
I do love Bumblebee, it's indelible. I see it in the street now and I have like an emotional attachment to a Camaro.
I love my yellow Bumblebee, and I love the Camaro. It turns into the sexiest yellow car you could ever imagine.
Bumblebee has an innocence about him, and it just fits the image of that Camaro.
I think when you combine Michael Bay and Camaros, the look is so cool, and you fall in love with Bumblebee. So you've got heart, you've got style, and you've got him.
Camaro has just got great technology. It's a bold design, very striking, very straightforward. I call it an everyday hero. That's exactly what it is, and that's kind of the role it plays in the movie.
The car has become part of almost popular culture now by virtue of the film and the character it plays.
Bumblebee is the most recognized car in the world.